Welcome to CK Quiz channel.
Today we will discuss index and ranking current affairs of last 6 months of 2026 from January to June 2026. First question, what is the rank of India in Global Peace Index 2026? Correct answer is option D 127th. India ranks at 127th position in Global Peace Index 2020. Next, what is the rank of India in World Press Freedom Index 2026? Correct answer is option D 157th. India ranks at 157th position in World Press Freedom Index 2026. Top 3 countries Norway, Netherlands and Estonia. What is the rank of India in Global Soft Power Index 2026? Correct answer is option B 32nd. India ranks at 32nd position in Global Soft Power Index 2026. Top 3 countries USA, China and Japan. What is India rank in World Happiness Index 2026? Correct answer is option B 116th. India ranks at 116th position in World Happiness Index 2026. Top 3 countries Finland, Iceland and Denmark. What is the rank of India in Global Terrorism Index 2026? Correct answer is option D 13th. India ranks at 13th position in Global Terrorism Index 2026. Top 3 countries Pakistan, Burkina Faso and Niger are impacted by terrorism. Next, which state topped the Fiscal Health Index 2026 released by Niti Aayog in March 2026? Correct answer is option A. Odisha topped the Fiscal Health Index 2026. Top 5 states Odisha, Goa, Jharkhand, Gujarat and Maharashtra respectively. According to IQ Air Quality Index 2026, which country has become the most polluted country in the world? Correct answer is option D Pakistan. According to IQ Air 2026, top 5 most polluted country Pakistan, Bangladesh, Tajikistan, Chad and Democratic Republic of Congo. Next, what is the rank of India in Corruption Perception Index 2025? Correct answer is option A 91st. India ranks at 91st position in Corruption Perception Index 2025. Top 3 least corrupt countries Denmark, Finland and Singapore. Next, what is the rank of India in Global Firepower Index 2026? Correct answer is option D 4th. India ranks at 4th position in Global Firepower Index 2026. Top 3 countries USA, Russia and China. Which airport became the world best airport according to the ranking of Skytrax World Airport Awards 2026? Correct answer is option B. Singapore Changi Airport won the Skytrack World Best Airport Award 2026 for the 14th time. Next, which institution topped the QS World University Ranking 2027 from India? Correct answer is option E. IT Delhi ranks at 118th position in QS World University Ranking 2027 and emerges top ranking institution from India. Next, according to the Hurun Global Rich List 2026, what is India's global rank in terms of number of billionaires? Correct answer is option C 3rd. India ranks globally at the 3rd position in terms of number of billionaires according to the Hurun Global Rich List 2026. top 3 rich countries: USA, Russia, China, and India. Next, what is the rank of India in Henley Passport Index 2026? Correct answer is option B, 75th. India ranks at 75th position in Henley Passport Index 2026. Next, what is the rank of India in Network Readiness Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 45th. India ranks at 45th position in Network Readiness Index 2025. Top 3 countries: USA, Finland, and Singapore. Next, according to the Access Now report released in April 2026, what is India's global rank in terms of internet shutdowns in 2025? Correct answer is option B, second. India ranks second globally in internet shutdowns in 2025 with 65 shutdowns, and Myanmar ranked first with 95 shutdowns. Next, what is the rank of India in Asia Manufacturing Index 2026? Correct answer is option A, 6th. India ranks at 6th position in Asia Manufacturing Index 2026. Top 3 countries: China, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Next, what is the rank of India in Responsible Nation Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 16th. India ranks at 16th position in Responsible Nation Index 2026. Top 3 countries: Singapore, Switzerland, and Denmark. Next, what is India ranking Climate Risk Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 9th. India ranks at 9th position in Climate Risk Index 2026. Top 3 countries: Dominica, Myanmar, and Honduras. Next, what is India ranking Climate Change Performance Index 2026? Correct answer is option C, 23rd. India ranks at 23rd position in Climate Change Performance Index 2026, and top 3 ranks are vacant: 4th Denmark, 5th UK, and 6th Morocco. Next, according to the recent National Crime Records Bureau NCRB report, which major metro city recorded the highest suicide rate in India? Correct answer is option A, Bengaluru. According to the NCRB report, Bengaluru recorded the highest suicide rate in metro cities in India. Next, according to the CIPRI report 2025, which country became the largest arms importer in the world during 2021 to 2025? Correct answer is option A, Ukraine. According to the CIPRI report 2026, Ukraine became the largest arms importer in the world. Next, what is the rank of India in Stanford University 2025 Global Artificial Intelligence Vibrancy Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, third. India ranks at third position in Stanford University Global AI Vibrancy Index 2025 behind USA and China. Next, what is the rank of India in Women Peace and Security Index 2025 and 2026? Correct answer is option D, 131st. India ranks at 131st position in Women Peace and Security Index 2025 and 2026. Next, what is the rank of India in Global Hunger Index 2025? Correct answer is option D, 102nd. India ranks at 102nd in Global Hunger Index 2025. First Somalia, second South Sudan, and third Congo. According to the Hurun Global Rich List 2026, who became the first Indian actor to debut as a billionaire? correct answer is option B. Shah Rukh Khan debut in Hurun Global Rich List 2026 with an estimated net worth of $1.3 billion. Thank you.